Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF pro tip is a bit of an impromptu one. I'm going to go over a technique that I like to use when I'm wrapping edges on fenders where I have a flat edge to work with. So I got this Ford Bronco here. I just installed the full fender on it. Now if you want to come along over here, you're going to see the wrapped edge right over here. You see all this soap and whatnot. So what I like to do, and this is so I can wrap this edge and be done with it, get it post-heated, and I can send this out the door. What I want to do right now, because this soap over here is not trickling down into the area on the side of the fender. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come in with my tack solution. I'm going to flush this out. I'm using my fingers as guides to make sure that I'm getting everything out. And then I like to take my lint-free towel over here. I'm going to get this nice and wet. And I'll come over here and I'll use the towel and my finger and I'll wrap it and go back and forth, wrapping this edge. So what the towel is actually doing, when I'm pressing the film down, it's actually forcing the moisture out, but it's also soaking up the moisture. So the moisture cannot seep back in underneath the film that's already been pressed down. Just like so. Now I'm just going to take the dry part of the rag. I'm going to come back over here to this edge, and with a lot of pressure, I'm going to make sure that that is down. Now, all I would need to do is take my heat gun and come along and give this a little bit of heat, and this is never going to lift up. So, yeah, that is one tip that I like, or one technique that I like to use when doing fenders like this. Most fenders, when you're wrapping them, the film would go all the way around and be angled downwards. This one, obviously, we have a flat edge that we're wrapping the PPF onto. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now, before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.